You understand that Afenyo Markins was here?
Because of him, when we come here.
You came here because of Afenyo Markins?
We don't do by-election in hometown.
Why? Why did you come here because of Afenyo Markins?
Fiang, why did you want here? Is it the NDC? Is it the NDC secretary?
What did you want here?
Is it the NDC secretary? You are coming to our office to do what in our office? Asa, you people are journalists, talk to them. Here no be parliament that way they do, no. Here is a freedom field. Yenya bre munja yenya bre pa.
But some of these actions is not troubling. Given
we are waiting for them. We are ready for them. We know the plan they are taking. Yes. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But they are, let me tell you, let me. Yes, I'm a communication officer in the party. Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the MPP. I mean, you can say MPP divided two. So we have their people, my information, because I must say, I'm a career for my MP, I'm a company with the bar, almost all I can. I told me for them back. Okay. I told me the Omakofa Solomon. I say on the bed by Omia, and I'm with the bar. So MPP divided into two.
Can you put on this Mr. Kanya Blabba? Your mother. I saw your mother. I saw your mother. Look, don't go there. You chop you take mother.
How wide there was road, and I didn't tell me what's not. Yeah, the mass. Poster, lawyer, to me, poster, a few or why an NDC to say, why a dear, but focus through now, MPP general, now why and I said, a branch into me and a day, and I say, side with the
almost all you can. I told me for them back. Okay. I told me the Omakofa Solomon. I say on the bed by Omia. I know me that back. So MPP divided into two. So we are telling you people, BDS, say, I had here. nipa miɛnsa penny here wo na na bi another play and Afenyo Markins but me do nyame say nyame dey chef Afenyo Markins na ko cemetery say na azo kaka no na pe be baba all right thank you
no create road edu ana satama park wo aha pepe party office eni ma ka pepe me park here no the mu an say yawawa ye posters efi ye ka ho a ewa ha road no so no mo wawa Jonah Zongo guy back we ya see friend Zongo president o say na dey na ko so na ne ma ni bo dede nto ye so raso mo na Afenyo mu two car na ye dey eko na ye ihe wa na ye so ehu ya but ye ma kwa no mo hu ye dey wa poster we are just here ye hu de ye na omo car kese wo aba best sport say or no say or yes or stop woman ti omo man ko na ma tension aba na tension aba say ye bia party office anymore party office and your MPP party office na police asabechi nipa na onu moma omo Afenyo Markins go for an MPP for our poster na de ye ntimi anto na ye moma ye wa ha party office nipa na ono support say o ma ye wa poster no police abeche no na sana police aduma na ye na gani de woni videos nya wa ha akwa ofa so beche no yeso be me mpanifo hu na be mra kwa so mo ne na fa so omo hwehwe asem mu asinkosi na yesa de a NDC na se omo be sisi yen ba konwa no ye den ya je akonwa na konwa no pomo ko ifa mai akonwa no NDC fo akonwa sesi rebi asama mpesa mekache Ghana police IGP ani ni mpanifo ne omo ase ni ye president say ye ma kwan sade ebia NDC ni bakwa akoye bone de ye be pia no so onko ho ba so onya bone na MPP di bone be ba be take de ye be face wom police so ba ye ma kwan no mo de nipa bako bia akọ because enum gu ase just NDC office ni ufo so ya by some short meters bi no wadu MPP office na Afenyo be create sim we ni ye chi ye nipa na se ye nyina ekogu police station na so ma fa se aye de omeye sana oni police na asese ho sana etie menka se police no mu nyina papa wo abonifo no pese omu kutia ye no abonifo na Afenyo mu fa o ATS no sa abonifo no pese omu kutia ye
efutu be na de ma nko for
me afutu me pese me de mom no se enye we na ese adwe ho yanko police station wonko ye adwuma na hia yenye adwuma kopim 6 o'clock ne ye bebo aba no na se sinu so yenyina ho ani anje vote but obi be kan dia ye makwan